Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.
Sure that you are aware that the forecast will change here. And so, once you get a forecast, don't be married to it. We will definitely be seeing changes. That's how it works in the atmosphere. As soon as we get new information, the models are updated with how the environment will respond to that new information. So let's look at what we know right now, though. This is a look at the European model, and your forecast for Friday does show a closed circulation, a closed low right here just south of Cuba. And let's compare that to what we have in the GFS. So the Euro takes it here through moving across western Cuba, and then we have it emerging into the Gulf of Mexico as a closed circulation. This is on Saturday. The GFS is faster and actually a little bit stronger at this point in its lifetime. And you can see it moving up here into the Gulf of Mexico. This is again Saturday, and that quicker movement will mean a quicker impact with land. Again, take a look at the European model. We timed this out here Saturday into Sunday. Now on Sunday, it is still offshore, and it's sitting right over those very warm waters that Alex was just talking about. At this point on Sunday, the GFS has it, again, moving over those very warm waters and likely strengthening as it goes, but already approaching land by the time we get to Sunday. So today is Thursday. So make sure that you are getting your plan together right now, your emergency kit, where you would go if you had to evacuate, if you were going to lose power for a couple of days. Know those kind of things here as we look ahead to the weekend, because we only have a couple of days. We look at Sunday forecast here, and the European model still has the system offshore, and then we see it approaching the coast on Monday. Louisiana, based on these two models and based on some other models that we have, Louisiana definitely seems in line for this one, but it's not a guarantee. We know the system hasn't even developed just yet, and so we know that there will be some differences in the forecast. Speaking of, real quick, Alex, want to show the rainfall. Big footprint of heavy rain a little farther west just because the Euro is different than the GFS, but both of them have a lot of rain in the forecast, so flooding and flash flooding could be a concern. Alex. We're going to see that same storm track, that same zone, actually very active tomorrow. Just a little bit further south, a little bit further east, but we've got Minnesota, we've got Iowa again, Fort Dodge, Des Moines. You're going to be in that risk of thunderstorms, and there is the chance for all modes of severe weather, damaging winds, hail, and there's a tornado threat. Is a 3 on the Torcon for tomorrow. So what's going on in our pattern is that we have a pretty strong jet up here to the north, and it's pretty far north, actually. That's why it's been so hot underneath it. But along that, you get these little kinks, you get these little disturbances that roll along, and that helps trigger some severe weather. That's what we focus on for the storm chances getting into the weekend. And so that's really not changing. That's why you have multiple rounds coming in of thunderstorm activity. Now that's going to add up in terms of rainfall. We need the rain in Minnesota. We need it in Iowa. We don't need it as much in Wisconsin, and that's where we do have possible flash flooding coming in here. We take a look at Saturday's forecast. It's back to Minnesota and Minneapolis. It is multiple rounds of thunderstorms coming your way getting into the weekend. We'll get the rain here, but it's a lack of rain that is pulling the rug out from under the
force over the coming days as it moves over very warm water temps.